What are you doing?
Timing, sequence timing. Worked pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't have any issues.
That's good. What should this trigger kit resolve?
Trigger errors at high RPM.
Alright, well, I'll let you finish up and then you can tell us all about the PRP trigger kit. It was the street edition or something?
Yes. So we have Charlie's car back on the dyno. We fitted it with Platinum Racing Products street version trigger kit, as we were starting to have some timing sync errors and trigger errors with the factory cam angle sensor, which is very common, especially when you start creeping up at that 400 and 400 plus wheel horsepower area. This car made 404 on the last session at 20 pounds, bone stock RB20. So we got it back on the dyno after fitting the kit to dial in air-fuel ratio and timing and make sure everything looks good and okay. Curious to see if it's going to pick up more power or what's going to happen. With more accurate timing, I would expect it to pick up more power, but the dyno will tell us all.
The butt dyno too.
Yeah, true. Yeah, butt dyno for sure. That's more important.
All right. Cool. I guess you're just gonna do a couple pulls then.
I have the boost turned down and the timing pulled back just so I can make sure fueling's okay, and then I'll throw it back in.
I mean, we know what it made last time, so that's kind of unfair.
404 last time. I don't know.
404 last time. I think.
He picks up 10.
Really? 414. What about you, babe?
I'm gonna do the good old
420. All right. Then I'll say 410 and be a downer.
Damn.
Yeah, I'll say 5 extra. What's that noise? Is that the dog? Really? She ain't gonna like it when the fan is on.
She'll give up real quick as soon as you get a fan. Can you hear you anymore? Alright.
We need this fan with a velocity stack. Charging my car.
Oh my god.
100 pounds of this.
Yeah. See how that goes.
Can I do halfway? Or you think it would be too loud? sooner, which is nice. Yeah, he'll be happy with that. Because I know, like, yeah.
I mean, it's doing pretty good so far.
What?
It's doing pretty good so far.
Good. I know.
It's already making a little bit more power, and boost comes on quite a bit sooner.
Yeah.
So we gained like 250 RPMs of turbo spool. It's making more power, and it's running about 1.5 pounds less boost.
That's awesome.
So we'll see what I can do and see if it makes any more.
Quite impressive.
Yeah, I mean, it's doing pretty well. Can't complain.
He didn't want me to have the closest guess, so he fucking turned it up another half pound to get his 420.
Yeah, Edgar does not like to lose. That's why. I'm impressed, Edgar.
Not too shabby.